Today here at home with Anita Rosner, we are making a delectable butternut squash soup. And while it is based on a vegetable, it is not a vegetarian meal because we're making bacon. But if you are a vegetarian and you're looking for great recipes, I'm going to put a link down in my description to my mom's recipe box, which is a YouTube channel run by Susan and Mark Sagrin. And they've got great vegetarian recipes for you there because they're vegetarian all day, every day. So now let's get to our soup. What we're going to do first is we're going to pierce the butternut squash, microwave it for 5 minutes on high, and that will make it easier to cut in half so we can remove the seeds and proceed to the next step. Now that the squash is cool enough to touch, we're just going to scoop out the pulp and set it aside. I do not like cooking with bacon. It's messy, I can never get the package open, but I will make an exception for this soup. We're going to cook this bacon so it's extra crispy because we're going to crumble it. All right, so let's let the pan get hot and we'll get cooking. I don't even know how to properly cook bacon. I hate it so much. I mean, I don't hate to eat it. Drain the bacon on a paper towel, then reduce the heat to medium and add 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped apple. Sprinkle with a dash of allspice, ground ginger, a pinch of cinnamon. We'll add about 1/4 cup of broth and deglaze the pan. Once the apples become fork tender, add your squash. Now increase the heat and bring this to a boil. Then let it simmer for 20 minutes. At this point, you could put this in a blender or a food processor to blend it. I'm using an immersion blender. Now just ladle into a bowl. It's so good. And you can get creative with this. You can add coconut milk to it. That would be nice. Maybe a little hint of maple, just a little. But I promise you, it's good just like this. I love it. And I think you will too.